Okay. That 84 lumber, that's between Toddville and North Yard and North Mount Holly, correct?
All right, unidentified ethanol empty coming south.
Down here, that's between South and North Yard, North Mount Holly. 1722 HDI on Adam.
Kilo 37 got a track authority to leave Charlotte at 522. Huh.
Exactly. We'll go ahead and stack your civil out of the east to follow that footstep.
Okay, it's got foreign power on it. Canadian Pacific. Y'all have a safe trip. Variety of power ons in the last Canadian Pacific leading. CSX ES44DC in the middle, and the BNSF ES44. I saw the full version of this train Friday after work, but by the time I called them, they were kind of out of position, and they were trying to navigate through Lincolnton, chasing a train at 5:45, 6 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. That's no fun, and the chances of me catching up with it without having to drive long distance was not very well. I actually had one train on a rush hour time outrun me from Cherryville to Mount Holly. And it wasn't because the train was flying, it was because traffic was the drizzling crabs, and I couldn't get ahead of it far enough to stop, and Cannon never got it. And that one had some special locomotive on it, I forget which one. In fact, another situation where I tried to chase a train between here and Mount Holly going through Lincolnton in the rush hour was when they were taking engine 800, the F7 Clinchfield, down to Jacksonville for something. I forget what it was. Anyway, it was on a train, and if it hadn't that signal light wasn't out at the north end of Duke, or excuse me, the south end of Duke, if that signal light wouldn't have been out, I wouldn't have caused that train. But they had to stop and get with the dispatcher about that. Spring switch light was out. They ended up catching that train. Now, is this guy stopping? Or what? And if he's stopping, why? I think he's stopping. I don't believe this has anything to do with the crew being out of time. I don't know what the deal is with this. I guess we'll find out going down the road. I'm out doing laundry and saw this train turned around to come get it in Cherryville. It's highway from Krause to Cherryville, so you can outrun it. And as you can see, this train wasn't going fast. I'll outrun it in a very short distance and actually had to wait on her a little bit. I wanted to get the lash up. Again, CP-CSX-BNSF. Now there's speed. That's NS. I might go catch this, but I'm not. Now they're doing better. They're picking up speed. They're not stopping in Cherryville. All right. Goes by. BK 446, maybe 429, 460, something of that nature. And they're going to be southbound by the north end Cherryville on the main. Right.